Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Dashboard Analytics. We're still focusing on the basics, trying to sharpen our skills before we start building dashboards. Now today, we'll be covering Chapter 6 of the Beginner series, Formatting Data into Tables. Okay, so this chapter is going to teach you some basic yet impressive skills with data tables. So let's get started. Right now what you're looking at is the spreadsheet we've been working on earlier. Basically, it's all the sales revenues and sales volumes of all your relationship managers across different regions, and it's a span of 2 years worth of revenue data. Okay, now very quickly, let's say if you want to format it into a nice professional looking data table, what you need to do instead of manually changing the font and bolding it, changing it from different colors, what you can do is format it as table. So under the styles, you can click on this button here on the top ribbon, format as table, and that allows you to select many different kinds of tables from light theme, medium theme, and dark theme. Okay, so let's say I just want to go on with one. I'll click on this, and then straight away everything changes into this style that you have asked for. Okay, if you want to select different tables, it's up to you how you want to change to your own personal liking. Let's say if you want to go for a darker theme, you can go for the dark theme like that. Or you want to go something a little bit brighter. It's up to you how you want to play around. The moment you change your data set into a table, the filter button straight away comes on so that you can do any form of an analysis right away. You can see different regions, etc. It's up to you. And notice that the banded rows are all by default showing. So let me show you an example. Let's say you are looking at the first half of the year, breakdown of sales revenues by products and by regions. Using a table creates a very professional looking format for your spreadsheet, and the filters are on depending on how you would want to look into your data. You want to do any form of sorting, smallest to largest, formatting by color, etc. It's all up to you. Actually, one thing very useful about it as well is this drop down function. There is this drop down quick analysis function that Excel provides. What you can do, you click on it, it shows you a couple of different range of functions you can use. You can use data bars to see the breakdown distribution between the revenues. You can use color, you can use iconic sets to sort of like do some form of distinction. You can also add in charts right away, and it shows you the different kinds of charts you can work around with the data. Even for totals, you can add in some totals. You can see what is total across the different months. Average, count, percentage, total, it's up to you. There's quite a couple of different stuff to play around. Tables as well, spark line, you can see a quick analysis on a more granular basis. Okay, so basically that's what you can do with data tables. For your keyboard, instead of clicking the button here, you can just press Ctrl on your keyboard and the tab function to sort of like scale around the different functions under the quick analysis tab. Okay, so either you can use the keyboard or you can use the mouse. Both serves the purpose of using this function under the data tables. Okay, hopefully this chapter has been very helpful and very useful. I'll see you in the next course.